Hey everybody. Let's see if we can finish this today. Okay, he's not in there. Marnie must know. That's the great thing about wintertime, you can leave the gates. Our pockets are not full, so why? Okay, there we go. Goodness. I did not mean to. Alright, we got one left to take outside. That all this. I don't think anything should. Oh, I was wrong. I was saying I don't think anything up here should be done, but I was wrong. Let's clean this up too. Okay. Now we need any. Getting a little too much. Alright, those are full for now. Blueberries, I guess. About to get through all these geodes. Well, but skipping that one. Alright, saw this. Ginger Island. I will pull blueberries regardless. Try not to. Yeah, all that's still growing. Or running. Couple of these. What's all this? Feels so weird to sell everything at one time. Or as it comes through. That there. We could have just walked through there. We didn't have to go all the way around. Sell this. Alright. No, I don't want to drink it. Alright, off to bed because we're just trying to get to the next day. Getting there. Okay, more money, I'll take it. Hello. Let's see. Oh shoot, we would have put something in here. And this. Hi, Ari. Welcome in. Let's go check stuff. We're basically just killing time until we can get our friendship up to get our last star drop. I am good. How are you this evening? Oh. Shouldn't be anything in here, but I could be wrong. Let's go to the desert. Why not? Auto grabber. We have a few of those. Apple sapling. Cactus seeds. Let's go here. Dark cowboy hat. Cool. Blue cowboy hat. I was gonna laugh if that had been like a red cowboy hat, you know? That would have been really funny. Wait, when was... Okay, it's tomorrow. Can't sell those, so let's put that with... A. Oh, we got it. Got the last star drop. We don't even have full hearts with him. I thought we had to have full hearts. Okay. Let's see. Well, we did it in like, by the time we finish this and go to the next day. That's right, about 20-25 minutes. There it is. 100%. We got it. Well, I was gonna... Never mind. Oh well, I was gonna screenshot, but we'll just get it later. And you know what that means? Let's go collect all the stuff that we did today. This is it. Go to bed and let's do it. So we officially got it. Winter day 4 of year 3. I can count day 5 if you want, technically, because that's when we're going to go to the summit. So you feel in your heart, somewhere, somehow, Grandpa is beaming with pride. The legacy of Springtime Farm is eternal. A rumbling sound was heard in the distance. Grab our horse. go, y'all. There it is. And there's the fairies. Little spaceship. And Dusty. Hush Bear! Here's our pets, the cat and the fox. And the little frogs jumping on the bottom. All the fish. There's the mermaid. Mermaid waving. Here comes all our monsters. Squid Kid, that's a funny looking face. The false magma cap. That one always gets me. And here's Grandpa and Key. All done. Alright, now we gotta collect all of our rewards. Statue of True Perfection. We did it again, but okay, we're here. We'll grab them. You know, let's talk to him for fun, because he just plays a music note because there's nothing else for him to say, because we actually got perfection. Alright, let's go get our stuff. Alright, as tradition, we now wear this. Wait a minute, let's take this. Ah, we haven't even gotten the cutscene for the blue chickens. That's funny. Their golden egg. I think the bookseller's here today too, so we might can knock that out. On the horse. See what books we don't have. do that every time. Let's see. Don't have that one. Don't think we have that one. Don't think there's a point in the Queen of Sauce one. Hold on, let's see. Eat that one. We'll get it anyway, just because. What do we have left? I don't think there's anything left here we haven't read. That's monthly, quarterly, bait and bobber, and we've already read that, right? I've got to look and remember what those are. Got all but 2 of them. I gotta figure out what the other 2 books are. Oh, we got everything else. Okay, we bought everything from the bookseller we could buy from the bookseller, so. Let's go. Got our golden egg. Before we got our blue eggs. That's our blue chickens. That's funny. We just never came and got the cutscene. And there's the Junimo hat that you get. That you can buy after getting perfection, I think. I think that's what that one was. Yeah, that's what we got from that. We got the Junimo hat. That's what unlocks with Governor's hat with the soup. The hat. And then it's another hat that I'm... Okay. Well, we can't get out that way. That's it, y'all. We have finished it. We could put the egg in, but we don't have room for it, so... Let's see. We need to take out... Let's take out... Got 2 brown chickens, 2 void chickens, 1 white chicken. It's either that or we build another coop, but where would we put it? I mean, I guess we could put one in here, but I don't really want to. Put our statue out. Put it with this one. Statue of True Perfection. That's it. Let's just stick it in here for now. But that makes farm number 6 that we have successfully gotten to perfection. So now it's just to play around. Done. We were on winter day 5 of year 3. Guess we do need to save this day, don't we? It's a little late for that, but okay. Sure. It's a little late to ask that, sir. We finished this one. Go back to the title and let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we finished 4 on here. And we've done 2 on Switch. Let me switch over. Just chatting. Well, exit out of this. Go. Open this up. Stardew. Manage. And browse local files. Excuse me, I want that down here. Go content. Mac OS. Just to be on the safe side. Copy. And this was spring time. Make sure we save them all. That way if we want to open it again, we can. All right, they're going. Now we all that trash. Time is done. So open this down. He's over. All right, we're gonna test run and see how this does. We'll see if she gives us any errors. If I forgot any mods. Okay, she's loading. Not getting any errors, so that's a good thing. Just one that needs to be upgraded that we didn't update. Alright, now bring y'all back over. New farm. I know. Here. The only one we're worried about there. Let's not mess that up again. Alright, what are we gonna name this farm? Hmm. This is always the hard part. Trying to choose stuff for the new one. We could go there, but gosh, there's so many options. We just did the purple one. Okay, so I don't want to do this. Let's go. Maybe the pink shirt for this one. Go with the gray cat. I still don't know what we're naming this farm. Kind of that's what we're going with, so we'll go with that. Now, do we want to go with our standard always? 4 corners? Skip the intro because we don't want to watch the intro. Why not? Let's see what it looks like. Now we wait for it to load. Or at least gonna get it started. I don't know that we'll go very far with it tonight. Now I need to check all this stuff. I have so many in here that we have. So much stuff this time. Okay, so that one's... These are so cute. These are Omulus this time. They're so adorable. Okay. What else did we do? I don't think there's anything else we needed to. See if the tractor transferred over what it was. That's only one way to find out. Okay, so that stayed. Aw! Very colorful. Okay. Let's fix our tools first. That'll annoy me. Forgot how long it takes to chop down a tree. Okay, let's build. I'm glad to figure out some of the textures and stuff in this, because I don't know that it's going to take. Okay, so they took. First artifact, already. We might get another one of the retexture. Or I need to check and see if there's anything we can change. Let's see, alternate texture. This is all furniture. Silos, the craftables. I ticked it off, hold on. There it goes. Just don't really want to do the pink or purple again because I feel like we just did it, so. We'll have to decorate in mind with the new one. Inventory's full. Go figure. We made the chest, we just didn't anything in it. We're gonna regret going back this way though. I think if we cut this tree now, we'll have enough room to start some little crops right here. That's the goal. This earthly color is so much easier to tell if the crops are watered. Alright, where's our scythe? We can get a lot done with the scythe and it don't take energy. Alright, let's go see who else we can find. Linus. And there's Abigail, Leah, Caroline, here, Granny, not much more. Oh, dang, Elliot on day one. Now, if we could come across Sebastian on day one, it would be like a miracle of a day. Let's check. Still in his room. Wait, I didn't look to see if he was in his room all day or if he's coming out. Okay, 3 o'clock. I already talked to Abigail. I already talked to Marnie, didn't we? No. Or Maru. Okay. I thought we'd already talked to Maru. Didn't. Demetrius, let's get him. Technically, we've already talked to Robin, but... now we just gotta wait on Sebastian to come out. And we can honestly say we got the hard ones in day one, which is very rare. We're not stalking anybody, I promise. Who wouldn't do that? After getting Elliot, Leah, and if we get Sebastian, we've got the 3 hardest ones out of the way, so. Who else do we want to try and get today? George. Met Gus already. Talk to Elliot. I think Amber in here. Haley's another one that we need to figure out. Not in her room, so that means she's on the move somewhere. So let's find her. Not up here. I met Alex, we've met Penny. Where is Haley? At her house. No way she's in the bed. So where is she? There's Vincent. Harvey's another hard one too, because we don't get in his clinic early enough. Where is Haley? Oh wait, I just saw her. Okay, so where's Jazz? At Marnie's ranch. Let's see if we get lucky and she's not in her room. Jazz. We already met Marnie. Let's see what we got left. Jody, Emily, Pam, Wizard. Of course, Willie, but that'll come later. Okay, so we need to find Pam and Jody. Jody home yet? Okay, find Pam. I think I already met Shane, right? Yep. 26 out of 28, which should be what the... Emily. I go back there and meet Emily. And then all we have left is Willie tomorrow. Okay, well that's done. I think that's the quickest we've done that in a long time. Since we accomplished that, we'll just do some cleaning until it gets too dark to see. I didn't even see them little pieces of wood behind there. Yeah, there goes our energy. Wait, do we have anything in there that we can... No. Grab this. Level 1 foraging, cool. Oh yes, some spring onions, that'll work. These aren't on until we fix it, so... There's a little wiggly worm there. Ooh, carrot seeds. Nothing like getting free seeds. Okay. We can't go through there because of the hardwood. How bad you can't see anything in this early game. First geode. Let's see if I can squeeze through all this in the dark. Use you, put that back. Turn the fireplace on so we got some light in the house. Goodness gracious. Level 1 foraging. Yas. $21. Spring onions already growing? Here's Clint. That's what we want to be woke up to. Playing at our front door at 6 a.m. Always. Hi. Did it do okay with you? We just started doing because we just got perfection on the other one. Okay, so now we have to go meet Willy. And then we'll have everybody met. I can't...
What day are you in?
2. And we met everybody first day except for Willy. Well, no, obviously you can't meet the wizard, but he doesn't count against it, so... Bye. Order all these. Okay, so let's go meet Willy. First, let's fill up our watering can. Because we're back to using that on the regular, so. Go to the beach to meet Willy. Craft a furnace. Can't do that yet. We met everybody, and we just got our fishing pole. So, good deal. Ahoy there, miss. Heard there was a newcomer in town. Good to finally meet you. I'm still trying to unwind from a month out on the salty seas. It was a big haul. I sold a lot of good fish. Finally saved enough to buy me a new rod. Here, I want you to have my old fishing rod. It's important to me that the art of old fishing stays alive. And hey, maybe you'll buy something from the shop once. Oh, we can fish now. There's good water here in the valley. All kinds of fish. Oh yeah, my shop is back open now, so come by if you need supplies. I'll also buy anything you catch. If it smells, it sells. That's what my old pappy used to say anyway. Okay, so now we have to give a gift. Some more carrot seeds. That'll be nice. Free crops. Another artifact. Can't go wrong there. Thank you. Hit the trash can. Ooh, coal. We'll take coal. We were hating that we didn't have enough the last playthrough, so. Smallmouth bass. Sure. Fishing rod is out of place. That's not helping me. Go catch one. If we can catch a smallmouth bass real quick. That's not it. That's not it either. Oh, our pockets are full. Algae, you can go. We'll get plenty of that. Shane's gonna get aggravated because we're standing in his spot. Hold on, Shane. I have to wait. I can't move. I'm sorry. Guess we'll let that one piece of coal go for now. I'll move. Hold on. Crap. Okay. We gotta do some pocket in first. Try that again. Back, sunfish. Come on, one more. We caught one, technically. Stone. Okay. River jelly. I'm gonna watch it be the same thing again, but on the bright side, we can throw away trash. For now, till we get a recycler, I'm not really worried about trash. This is taking a lot longer than I planned. There we go. Okay, we wanted one of these. Yeah, up here, bye. Okay. That's done. Now we've got to start getting seeds too. just go back to our farm. Most of our energy fishing today. We're gonna do this and then go get spring onions because it said there was a lot of spring onions at the in the forest this morning. You can also make field snacks, that's another idea too. We don't want to walk around it, just walk through it. Hey, let's eat this. Start there. Off the onion. I don't think we have anywhere near any of that yet. Stone we probably do. I know we don't have enough copper yet. Let's see if there's any down here today though. No, just stone. Figure we clean up some of the weeds and stuff just to kind of pass the time because you don't have a lot of energy. Oh, pockets are full. Sure, we'll get these little pieces of wood because they add up too. And we've about used all of our energy again. See, we've got 90 pieces of wood already. So we can make one more chest. Do that. And we'll grab... We could grab community center stuff, I guess. So this. One of those. So leek is the only thing we haven't found yet. It's like a true summer forageable. Let's see if there's any up here. There might be some up around Linus. Let's check around the house. In there. I mean, it's only day 2, so can't expect so much. I guess no leak on day 1 or day 2, but that's okay. Get there. Let's go ahead and community center this one. We're just gonna name this one, as always, miscellaneous. Where's this chick? What? Where did we put a third chest? We only made 2. Oh, never mind. Grandpa's belt, I think. We'll test that theory. Yeah. Grandpa's belt. It normally says that, but it doesn't on here now. I can't spell, apparently. And then shipping bid. I always change this so it stays at the bottom. I can come up here and clear some weeds, at least. I don't want to cut a lot of this grass, though, because this is where we're going to put the animals. Can't walk through there. You almost can't even see the weeds. Once it gets dark. Yeah, we cleaned up quite a bit of the weeds. What are we stuck on? I have no clue. I can't see it in the dark. Well, level 1 fishing. We're getting there. Level 2 fishing. Alright, one more day and then I think we'll call it for... What were we getting stuck on back here in the dark? Ah. Don't have to water the crops today. Hi, Justin. There's those leeks we were looking for. What time is it for you now? I know it's gotta be late for you, or early for you, I guess, because it's late for me, so. "2:28 a.m. Good grief. Well, we finished our other one. We just started this one. We're only on day 3. Kind of like a test run with it tonight, just to see. Still might be some more mods added to it. Let's see, let's put that in there. That in there for now. Who do we need to go talk to? Oh, Demetrius. Crap. Okay. Yes, a new farm. We got perfection about an hour ago on the other one. Demetrius in here? I would hope so. Locked. Oh, come on. Be 9 o'clock. We're making a few dollars. Here and there anyway. What else can we do? We could go and take what little bit we found. Don't really want to go open Geode yet, but why not? Wow, congrats. I'm still at the beginning of my farm. I make about 10 million a week, but still isn't enough. That's the part that got me. The last thing we needed was a 10 mil for the clock, and believe it or not, our last star drop, because we just kept putting off getting married. But we got our last star drop. We got the clock earlier today, but then we got our last star drop when I came back. So I did not want to spend like 20 minutes on the stream tomorrow finishing that one. So we finished it tonight. Don't have enough room. Okay, hold on. We're gonna combine these right now. Not miscellaneous. Let's grab. Let's go take all this over to the museum. Do I use other mods? I mean, we have a few on here. Most of these are aesthetic mods this time. You've got some recommendations. Feel free to share them on the Discord. Because I would love to have some new stuff to do. I mean, we've gotten 6 perfections. We did do one that was expanded to perfection, which was fun. Well, please do. I'd like some new stuff. Give us something new to do. Because, I mean, we just started that one late January, early February. And here we are, we finished it, so. Every time somebody talks about modding, and you're not, even if you're not here, I'll talk about it. I'll be like, y'all should go see that one. All the mods he's got on that one. I'm like, he's got mods I've never seen. You've got so many different ones. You definitely got them, that's for sure. I mean, we got our money back for opening the geodes, so can't be too mad at that. That's 2 books we found. I don't know if it said anything about onions today or not. I did not look. See, we know we're gonna need that and that. Not planting those yet. Hopefully when these come up, we'll plant those. Mm-hmm. Bye. And I know I could bump up my energy and all that in this to, or I wouldn't lose energy and all of that, but I don't want to take everything away from the game. Because with this mod, I mean, we could give ourselves infinite health, infinite stamina, all the good stuff. If I wanted to. You check machines and make sure I have them all turned back off. Leave the seed maker on. I don't know if you know my first farm type, but I switched farm. It's about 50 times larger than the farm type I had before. I have now so much space that I can't even use it all. See, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to find a different farm. I use 4 corners because I feel like out of the generic farms, the base model vanilla, that's probably the biggest one to have the most room. And I still feel crowded once I get everything going. I'm cleaning all this up, but we may switch the farm type. Let me write that down so I can check. We'll see how that goes, because it's early enough we could still switch. Why'd I come in here? We need to clear up here first. I mean, I could drag out the tractor and clean this up in like 5 minutes, but why aren't we watering a little log is not gonna produce a tree. I know when I've watched yours, I've seen like there's a lot of difference to yours. Sure. As far as the recolor, this is probably one of my favorites, the earthly recolor. It's really big, but don't have anything special. It's just a really big square, like standard farm on vanilla. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that though. Because I mean, if you've played enough, you can add things. They have one that's supposed to be a bigger version of Four Corners. I've thought about playing with it where it wouldn't really affect it much, but it would give me more room. We have run up our energy. Again, hold on. Wrong chest. I'll pass out if I ain't careful. I don't think there's any weeds we can really cut in that one. Is there some still down here? I'm doing this one because it doesn't take energy. But until I get silo, I don't want to cut too much grass. Craft a furnace, we're nowhere near that, and we're working on the parsnips, so not a lot else we can really do tonight. I mean, we could fish, but we don't have the energy for that. I think we got all the trash cans today. Anybody in here? There's Willie, and there's Harvey. So I can read. Yeah, and there are 3 areas. 1 is the main, 2 is on the bottom left, and 3 is on the bottom right. It's extremely big. I also like auto pickup truffles, mini mod extensions like Escarps and Ridgeside. I haven't done Ridgeside in a long time. I need to do that one again. I don't even think I've done that one on stream. I have the pick up truffles. I love that one. Because I hate looking for them. I'm just looking to see if there's any forageables anywhere that we may have missed today. Not a lot in early game to look for. There's one. Also, like, obviously, it's a mod where you can date and marry multiples. I've done something similar to that one. I like the reverse marriage mod, too, where they have to ask you, which is kind of cool. We could do something like that. Date everybody. Date everybody, marry everybody. But the only thing we put on now, a lot of the fairy stuff. Because we talked about making it kind of like fairy-like this time. Got Grandpa's tool belt, which is cool. Greenhouse upgrade, because I love being able to upgrade the greenhouse. Integrated mine carts. I like having those. Skull cavern elevators, always. Shortcuts. That's how I can cut through quicker and not have to pay for the shortcuts. Oh shoot, are you in ads? Oh. Or a precise furniture mod that you can move all. I need to check that one. Precise furniture mod. Because I hate that you can't move stuff. I'll have to check that too. I think that's the only thing we need to move in the house. We're just killing time at this point. Not much else we can do with no energy. I just hate going to bed at like so early on it. Got this almost cleaned up. We just got to cut some more trees. Dang, level 1 mining, and we haven't even got into the mine yet. It's really good. It lets you overlap decorations and move them pixel by pixel. I have made a TikTok video about it if you want to know. Cool, I have to check that out. I will have to check your TikTok. Level 2 foraging, that would make sense. Yeah, we didn't do a lot. This was kind of like testing it out tonight because I just kind of threw the mods together, been putting them in a folder so that when we finish the other one, we're ready. But, there's still some stuff we need to add. Definitely make it different. MacBook, I have to. We can't use mod managers. So I have to put them in individually. download them individually and put them in. Yeah. They have come out with one for your newer MacBooks recently. But of course, we're not there. And I'm not upgrading MacBook. If I upgrade for streaming, it's going to be more of a gaming PC this time. Yeah. It sucks. I mean, it's not hard. I just drag them all out of a folder and I have them in a folder on my desktop so I can just drop them in. But yeah, then I have to download all of the... No. They have one that they came out with for MacBook. But like I said, it's for the newer MacBooks. It would be nice. And that's something I'm going to have to get used to once I switch from Mac to regular PC. Is the things I can do that I haven't been able to do. There's a lot of stuff I can't use for streaming. Because of MacBook. Which sucks. I think it'd be easier to do it. There's probably a lot easier ways to do some things than what I have to do. But anyway, guys, we're going to end it here for tonight. I just wanted to kind of finish the other one, and we started this one. We're only on day 4. So if you come back tomorrow, you might see some new mods added. This was just kind of test to make sure we didn't miss anything. Fairy Way is cute. Have a nice day. Yeah, I'm going to bed. I can't believe it's like almost, what, 3 a.m. for you now? I saw you, Butterfly. Yes. That's what we're going with. We're going to add some more mods, I think. I can't believe you're still up. We're normally here and up at night, but you being up with us, that's kind of odd. Yes, you are a potato. I need to make you a potato. I haven't made you one yet. I need to make them and so you can have it. A butterfly's potato is Halloween themed. I need to find a spot that we can put them on Discord so y'all can see all of them, like everybody's potato. Because they get lost in that general chat. Let's switch to just chatting and close this out. For now. If we're going to be just chatting, we might as well be on just chatting. Yeah, I do need to make Justin a potato. I still love your jack-o'-lanterns. They're so cute. I haven't even looked at mine to see what y'all can and can't see. I find my own. There they are. Yeah, because I don't have any of y'all's in his sticker or in his emotes. Might need to do that at some point. Alright, guys. Well, I'm going to end it here. I appreciate everybody, the likes, the follows, and just the hanging out and chit-chatting. Justin, go to bed. I'm getting ready to do that. I mean, I'm not going to go to sleep. I'm just as bad. Even here, I'll be up until 2. Our time, too. Okay, good night. Yeah, I'm going to. I'll believe it when I see it, sir. Alright, I'm going to run. Let's see. Let's play y'all's outro. Everybody's in here. I think we should play the big one. Should we play the long one tonight, being Justin's here? He might not want to be here at night anymore. Dad, I'm hungry. Hi, hungry. I'm Dad. I tell my kids that one, so I can't say nothing. I can't say anything because I say that to my kids when they tell me that. I'm hungry. I'll say, hi, hungry. She's getting in all of her daily lilies and all of her daily taters. Butterfly, let's do the long one tonight. Just for Justin.
This is the song that doesn't end. Yes, it goes on and on, my friend. Some people started singing it, not knowing what it was, and they'll continue singing it forever just because this is the song that doesn't end. Yes, it goes on and on, my friend.
That's enough, guys.
Some people started singing it, not knowing what it was, and they'll continue singing it forever just because this is the song that doesn't end.
How do I turn you off?
Yes, it goes on and on, my friend.
God!
Okay. I get the joke.
Singing it, not knowing what it was, and they'll continue singing it forever.
I can't believe you guys.
This is the song that doesn't end.
Okay,
Yes,
I've had it.
goes on
That's it.
and on,
That's
my
it.
friend.
What are you doing?
Some people started singing
What?
it, not
What is
knowing
this?
what it was.
Hey!
And they'll
No,
continue
this, no.
singing it
This is the last
forever
time, right?
because
This is it.
the song
This is it.
that
This is it.
doesn't end.
This is
It
not
goes on
funny.
and on, my friend. Some people
Okay, if you guys are gonna keep that up, I want you to go far, far away. Go, go, go. No. Keep on going. Woo, woo.
Ah!
This is the song that...
Charlie,
That one is really
no,
loud.
No, stop. Charlie, stop. I want you to go away. Go away. And don't slam the door.
Justin picked up on what we were doing. He did pretty good for his first, craziness. That's how we used to end stream every time we ended stream. And they would just go with the emotes, go with all the sound alerts. It was wild. But anyway, good night, y'all.
Farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again, I said so long. Farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again.
Alright, I'm going to run credits for those on the Purple app, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye, Butterfly. Bye, Justin. Good night.